Are you ready to embark on a European adventure? Get ready to satisfy your wanderlust as we unveil 15 captivating destinations that will leave you in awe. From stunning landscapes to rich history, Europe has it all. So fasten your seatbelts and let's get started. Welcome back to Global Travel Venture. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and destinations. Imagine a continent where every turn is a new adventure, every road leads to history, and every moment is etched in beauty. Welcome to Europe, the cradle of legends, art, and landscapes that have inspired humankind for centuries. Our first stop is the breathtaking city of Paris. As you stroll along the romantic streets, make sure to visit the iconic Eiffel Tower and indulge in some delicious French pastries. With its undeniable charm, Paris will steal your heart in no time. Next, venture into the enchanting city of Prague. Lose yourself in its fairy tale architecture, explore the medieval Prague castle, and don't forget to sample the famous Czech beer. Prague will transport you to a world of magic and wonder. Continuing our journey, we arrive in the vibrant city of Barcelona. Unleash your inner artist as you explore the unique architecture of Antoni Gaudí, taste the delicious tapas, and soak up the lively atmosphere at the vibrant La Rambla street. Barcelona is a true feast for the senses. As we head into the Scandinavian region, immerse yourself in the natural wonders of Iceland. Witness the majestic northern lights dance across the night sky. Take a dip in the Blue Lagoon's geothermal waters and hike through breathtaking landscapes. Iceland will leave you speechless. Further east, we discover the historical city of Athens. Walk in the footsteps of ancient philosophers at the Acropolis. Immerse yourself in Greek mythology and savor the mouth-watering flavors of traditional Greek cuisine. Athens is a living museum waiting to be explored. Heading south, we find ourselves in the eternal city of Rome. Marvel at the Colosseum, throw a coin into the Trevi Fountain for good luck, and indulge in authentic Italian pasta. Rome will transport you back in time and ignite your imagination. As we journey to the west, let's explore the majestic cliffs of the Cliffs of Moher in Ireland. Feel the wind in your hair as you embrace the raw beauty of nature and let the stunning panoramic views take your breath away. The Cliffs of Moher are a testament to Ireland's rugged charm. Our next destination brings us to the cultural hub of Budapest. Dive into the city's rich history as you relax in the thermal baths, cruise along the Danube River, and explore the majestic fisherman's bastion. Budapest will captivate you with its charm and elegance. Moving south, we arrive in the picturesque city of Santorini. Lose yourself in the whitewashed buildings, relax on stunning black sand beaches, and witness breathtaking sunsets that will leave you in awe. Santorini is a slice of paradise you won't ever want to leave. Let's now journey to the fairy tale-like village of Hallstatt in Austria. Nestled between mountains and crystal-clear lakes, Hallstatt is a UNESCO World Heritage Site that will transport you into a storybook. Explore charming streets, take a boat ride, and soak in the tranquility of this enchanting place. Continuing our adventure, we find ourselves in the charming city of Amsterdam. Cruise along the picturesque canals, visit world-class museums, and indulge in delicious Dutch treats like stroopwafels. Amsterdam is a city that seamlessly blends old-world charm with modern delights. Nearing the end of our European expedition, we arrive in the breathtaking Scottish Highlands. Immerse yourself in the mystical beauty of the landscape, visit ancient castles, and savor a wee dram of Scotch whisky. The Scottish Highlands will leave you feeling mesmerized and enchanted. Heading south to the stunning Amalfi Coast in Italy, be prepared to be amazed by the dramatic cliffs, crystal-clear waters, and charming coastal towns. Explore hidden coves, indulge in fresh seafood, and soak up the Mediterranean sun. The Amalfi Coast is a true slice of paradise. Next, let the sapphire waters of the Greek Isles call to you, where mythology and reality blend on the edge of the Aegean Sea. The Aegean Sea, a body of water nestled between the mainland of Greece and Asia Minor, is often described as a region where the azure sky meets the sea's deep blue, creating a canvas of sapphire. Our final destination takes us to the romantic city of Vienna. Immerse yourself in the rich musical heritage, visit the stunning Schönbrunn Palace, and indulge in mouth-watering Viennese desserts. Vienna will sweep you off your feet with its elegance and sophistication. And that's a wrap on our journey to the top 15 places to visit in Europe. We hope this video has inspired you to explore the history, culture, and natural beauty this diverse continent has to offer. From the cobblestone streets of ancient cities to the azure coastlines and beyond, Europe awaits to tell its tales to every traveler. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed our travel guide, and subscribe for more content that takes you around the globe. Planning a trip to one of these destinations? Let us know in the comments below, or share your own hidden gems that fellow travelers might love. Safe travels, and we'll see you at the next destination, only here on Global Travel Venture. Bon voyage!